Targeted discount coupon is a type of discount coupon which can only be used by a specific person. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you on how you can create targeted discount coupons on your digital catalog. So without spending any more time, let's begin. The first step is to open the seller panel of your online store. Once you have opened the seller panel, then in the left navigation, you have to click on promotions, and then you have to click on targeted coupons, which will open the target coupon creation page. On this page, you have to click on new coupon to create a new coupon, and an overlay will open up. Now you'll realize that there's very little difference between a regular coupon and a targeted coupon, and it is fundamentally targeted coupon can specifically used by a customer, whereas a general coupon can be used by any individual, any customer who has that coupon code, they can use that. But a targeted coupon can only be used by an individual. So you have to specify that person's email ID, and if they have created the account using the same email ID, only then they can use the discount coupon. So let's understand how to create the targeted discount coupon. So we'll add a discount coupon code. So I'm just adding a discount coupon code DIS10, and this is where we have to add the email ID. So I've added my email ID. We'll select the start date, we'll select the end date, we'll select the discount coupon type. So percentage discount, in case you want to give a percentage discount to the customer, you can select percent discount, for example 10% on the cart value, and you can put a maximum limit to it as well. So for example, you want to limit it at 1000, so the discount will not be given more than 1000, so it will be limited. So 1000 is roughly the or 1000 will be the maximum discount that the customer can get. So for example, if customer's order value is, let's say, 10,000 rupees, so in that, or 15,000 rupees, so in that case 10% will be 1500 rupees. But because you have put a maximum limit, so it will give only 1000 rupees as the maximum discount. So that is the maximum discount. Then you have an option if you want to give free shipping. Other type of discount coupons which you can create is value discount. So value discount is, let's say, 500 rupees or 1000 rupees. So you can create it for a specific value. Now, it does not have any correlation with the cart value or the value of customer's order. So whether it is a 100 rupees order or a 10,000 rupees order, they will get this value discount. And another very popular use of value discount is wherein you have to refund money to the customer. So in that case, instead of refunding money, a lot of sellers, they contact the customers and understand if they are comfortable receiving a discount coupon. So in that case, instead of refunding the money, a discount coupon is given to the customer of that particular value, and then the customer can use that discount coupon. So in this case, because you are specifying the email ID of the customer, so it can only be used by the customer. But even in that case, if you are creating a value discount coupon and the objective is to refund money to the customer, so obviously you'll be specifying the customer's email ID. In addition to specifying the customer's email ID, you should click on advanced, and you can put in number of users and per user count as 1 and 1. So in both the input fields, it should be 1 and 1. Otherwise, a customer will be able to use it multiple times. So don't forget to make this check. The other type of discount coupon which you can create is free products. So this is where if you want to give a product free, in that case, you can specify the product. So you can specify the product, and whenever the customer is making the purchase, they will get this product as free. All right, so we'll just change it to discount. Free shipping is something your choice if you want to give free shipping in addition to the discount which the customer is getting. So in that case, you can do that. This is the minimum cart value. This is the eligibility criteria. So customers should place an order worth this value, and only then they are eligible to get this discount. So that is the eligibility criteria. You can put a value here. And this is the payment method. So this is where on this demonstration store, because we only have cash on delivery enabled, so that's where cash on delivery is displayed here. on your digital catalog, you may have multiple payments method enabled. So in that case, you can do that selection as well, whether you would want to give the discount or whether you want customers to place an order using prepaid payment methods, digital payment methods, and only then they can use this discount coupon. So that selection can be done here. So we'll select cash on delivery because it is the only method available here. And then you have display on the front end. So there's no need because we are creating it for a specific customer. So there's no need for that. We can specify the user type and then category. Now, the important point to understand here is that even if we are creating the discount coupon for a specific customer, but if you are not putting the values here. So for example, if I delete these values, this means this customer can use it multiple times or they can use it infinite number of times. So it is extremely important that if you want to keep it very specific that the one customer should only be able to use that only one time. So in that case, you should put 1 and 1 here. Underneath that is category, product, or tag. So if you want to make it specific in the sense that the customer will have to buy products from a certain category, only then they will get the discount, and also only on the value of the products that they have bought from that category. So that can also be done. So for example, we have a women t-shirt category on our demonstration store. So I'll select that. Now this where what we are doing is we are setting a rule in the system that customer can use this discount coupon. However, they can only use this discount coupon if they have bought products from or they have added products from women t-shirt category in their cart, and they will only get discount on the value of the products that they have added from the women t-shirt category, right? In a similar fashion, you can do it for products. So this is where you have to type in the name of the product. So for example, I started typing and this is where one of the product has started appearing. So I can select it like this. So this is where now we are setting a rule in the system that the customer has to buy this product, or we can have multiple products. So they have to buy any of the products that we have specified here, and they will get the discount, but again only on the value of the products from this list that is there on the card, right? And then we have tag. So tag is a value which can be assigned or attached to one or multiple products. So again, the same rule applies. If a customer has added a product that has this tag which we have specified here, then they will get the discount, and again on the value of the tagged products only. All right. If you are not doing any specification here, you haven't specified category, products, or tags, then this discount coupon can be used to buy any product, or the discount will be applicable on any products that the customer has bought from your digital catalog. So they can buy anything and everything from your digital catalog, and if they're using this discount coupon, they'll get the discount. So there's absolutely no restrictions to that. Last is description. This is also not applicable for targeted discount coupon. This is applicable for general discount coupon because those can be displayed on the front end. All right. So this is where we have created the discount coupon, and the last thing that we have to do is to click on save, and the discount coupon will get created. Yeah. So the discount coupon is created. This is the discount coupon that we have created, and I will just copy the code, and we'll quickly go to the front end. And I think we already have certain products in the cart. So we'll go to checkout, and I will try to apply the coupon. So it is showing invalid. Let's see. I have forgotten to activate it. So this is where we have activated it. Now let's go back, let it get updated. Yeah, now the discount coupon is updated. This is where you can see the green tick. Now if we come here and we apply the discount coupon, this is where it should get applied. So this is where you have received the discount. Now let me remove the discount and let me go to my account and let me log out. So currently I'm logged into my account. So here you can see I have the logout option. So let me log out. So I'm logged out. The cart is empty. We will have to add some products. So let's quickly add a few products. So I will add the product. Let's add this one. Let's also add this one, and accidentally I clicked on send inquiry. Let's add men's shirt also, because we are short of our value. So we will do one more product. So I've added three products. Now what I'm trying to demonstrate to you is that anyone and everyone can't use this discount coupon. So we have three items and I'm currently logged out. Now let's see if anyone can use this discount coupon. So please log in to use this discount coupon. So that is the targeted discount coupon. So if the customer has an account and the email ID is associated with that account, and only then they'll be able to use this discount coupon. So this becomes a specific discount coupon which can be given to a particular customer, and only they can use this discount coupon. So this is how you can create and use targeted discount coupons on your digital catalog. I hope you found the tutorial video informative. If you need any further assistance or clarification, please do feel free to reach out to our help desk. The contact details of our help desk are listed in the description of this video for your reference.